Hi, I'm Rocky Butani from Private Lender Link here at the California Mortgage Association Summer Seminar in San Diego. I'm here to interview service providers and lenders in California to provide some insights and share some valuable information with other lenders and members of the CMA and everyone in private lending as well. So I'm here with David from Trilion Capital. They're based in San Diego and they do fix and flip, construction, and bridge loans, right?
Bridge loans, and now we do the long-term 30-year product as well.
Okay. And so mainly California, right?
It's exclusively California,
Okay.
right?
So with some of the lenders out there that are thinking about expanding because maybe they don't have enough business in California, when it comes to even, fix and flip versus construction, what are some of the benefits of just staying exclusively in California, and what are some of the challenges with just outsourcing, getting third-party inspections and just trying to grow geographically?
Sure. Well, for those lenders outside of California thinking about coming in, just stay out. We got enough of us here. But we've made the decision to stay in California and not expand out of state. Several reasons. I mean, we understand the laws that are in play in California. That's very important in everything that we do. More importantly than that, though, is we want to know every borrower that we do business with. We want to visit every project at origination or pre-origination underwriting, all the way through inspections and payoff. We have a very tight soup to nuts relationship with our borrowers and with our projects, know them intimately, and you can't do that if you're spreading yourself out. I appreciate what the national lenders are doing out there, and they're very competitive and challenging to compete against. But when it comes to a borrower experience, what we provide them is beyond what our competitors can provide. So it gives us, we'll do an inspection on a property, and we're not using a third-party inspector. We're using our own people. It's the same people that did the underwriting. So having that knowledge, having that flexibility, make changes on the fly and adjustments on the fly, it just creates a better experience for our borrowers, faster service and more flexibility.
And within California, so you're in San Diego, do you lend throughout the state?
Yeah, we have offices in the Bay Area, LA, Orange County, San Diego, and now the Inland Empire.
Nice. So, because California is like its own country, right? It's so big. So if you're going to do site inspections, you have to have boots on the ground. So you have people in the Bay Area, you have them in San Diego, and
absolutely. The same guy or gal who's meets the borrower and builds the relationship, inspects the property, does the underwriting, does the comps. We don't outsource our appraisals. We do that in-house too. Takes care of all the issues throughout the process, the flip or the new construction process, and it just creates a seamless. It's both better for the borrower, and we think it's better for us and our investors in our fund that we have that intimacy with the project. So it's better for everyone all around.
Excellent. But if there are lenders out there that are using third-party inspections for their rehab draws or the construction draws, are the downsides mainly that it's not the lender just involved in every step of the project?
I would say it's the same thing as using brokers to source your deals and have build those relationships, or every step of the way. The more you're involved with the project and the relationship with the borrower, the vendors, the project, I think it eliminates risk in the deal. So yeah, you can take a step back and rely on other people who have their own interests, but they're not going to be the true fiduciary for your investor. Only you can do that. And so if you're relying on them, my thought is that's fine, but you better build in some safety. We're pretty aggressive in our leverage and our terms, and we think if you're doing the kinds of loans that we're doing and you're not boots on the ground, you're going to have some challenges in the future. So,
excellent. Well, thank you for sharing that with us and the audience and everyone. This is David from Trilion Capital. If you're a real estate investor, mortgage broker, mortgage investor, reach out to Dave and
thank you,
happy
Rocky.
to share some insights. Cool.
Thanks.
Thank you for joining us.